This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Now, let us try adding an answer type as a checkbox for a particular question. So here we have a question saying which is the hottest place on earth. For this, let us choose the answer type as checkbox, and after that, let us try adding another option for that saying Africa. Even though Africa is not the right option, I'm going to just check this option saying Africa as a right answer in order to just check how the quiz would react to this when the user just tries to choose Ethiopia as a right answer. So hit the preview button here, and after choosing the preview button here, I'm going to just select Ethiopia as a right answer, and after that, which is the fastest animal on the land, I'll just try to attempt all the answers again, and after that I will just click on submit, view score, and now here you can see it's partially right, but it's just giving 0 score even though it's partially right, which is the hottest place on earth. And here the right answers are both Ethiopia and Africa. So let's try again by choosing both the options. Now we'll choose Ethiopia and also Africa. Best heavier metal is gold. Now I'll just click on view score. Now as I have chosen both the options, it is a right answer.